Alright, we're at 8:46 p.m. It's May 30th, 2025. I'm on the construction site, or at least to the side of it. This is Alter. Let's just take a look at what they're doing here. Diesel. Make sure I stay on the public property spot so I can't get in any trouble of any kind. All right, where's the cranes at? See, it's farther down there where you see the trees moving. I wonder if they're knocking trees down too. I don't know. Oh, it might be farther down. I don't know. I'm way on the east side of where they're doing the construction. And I'm wearing a mask, by the way, because I can smell it for sure. And so did my roommate. No traffic, no semi trucks. Yes, no equipment. I can't see nothing where they're actually doing it. I'm gonna have to go to a different spot to show you where the cranes are, because you can't see them here. Can't see them here. But here's a couple other cranes that aren't in use. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. And there's another one over there. So there's four that are right here that aren't even doing anything. They got a big... Here we go. Here's some of it. Move out of the way, semi. So here's a couple of the cranes. I guess this is what they're doing. I don't see any dust. I don't know. These are two of the cranes. I don't know. There's another one off to the side even more. So, I don't know what they're doing. I thought they were demolishing something, but apparently they're not doing that. What are they doing? This is nuts. So, just getting an idea of what they're doing. I'm gonna call the guy back and ask him when they're done with this project, because they've been doing this for months and months and months. I don't know. I just thought I'd get a little quick view of what the site is. And this property goes on forever. I mean, there's a business in between here, but over farther, another 2 blocks down, is their scrap business, where people go in and drop off the scrap. But I'm guessing they got a lot of scrap through here too. Huh. But we just got an idea of what it looks like, I guess. And then I was just trying to see. I don't see no dust in, I don't know. Do you see dust in the air? It looks a little hazy. If you look at the sky a little bit. I don't know. I don't see the dust flying like I did before, but maybe they're doing a good job. I don't see anybody hosing it down though. Do you? Nope, I don't see anybody hosing it down. They're supposed to. He says they have to hose it down as they're working. I don't see anybody hosing it down at all. Zero. So, I don't know. I don't know. But it looks like this one crane is just lifting up the same batch of metal over and over and then dropping it. And then moving it up and dropping it. It's like they're not even moving it to a different spot or whatever. Huh. Plus he said, when I talked to the guy, he said they were doing construction. They weren't demolishing anything, which is, that's partly true. It looks like they're not demolishing anything. But what construction is this? It just looks like they're moving scrap metal around. I don't know. Crazy thing, but that's all I can do is just record this part since I'm on public property. Alright, I guess that's it. That's all I got for you for now because I can't see anything else. I can maybe try to get a little bit from a different angle from over there a little bit farther where I can see the spot in between. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Let's try to get this as best I can. I'm gonna see if I'm on for the last block. Alright, here we go. We'll try to get this as best I can over here. They're over here. Right there. Alright, so that's all I can get really. Alright, back where my house is, there's one crane you can see here. It's over to the left more, to the east. Alright, look at the sky now from here. I don't know if that's dust or not. It definitely looks hazy. If that's dust, then that's a major violation. Just look at, you can see it's going all the way from there, all the way up. All the way up to about there. If that's dust. Or is there some kind of clouds? Because I can't really tell. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Well, you can definitely see and hear them working. I can't see what I'm doing here because the sun's so stinking bright. Well, now we know that they start at 7 in the morning. 7 until 5 p.m. Wow. 10-hour days. And I still don't know what they're doing. I'm gonna ask them, what are you guys doing over there? And see if they're gonna end this project anytime soon, because this is ridiculous. Thanks for watching. God bless.